In this video, I'll go over an ACT math problem that dealt with fractions. So this problem reads, the rectangle below is divided into 3 rows of equal area. In the top row, the region labeled A has the same area as the region labeled B. In the middle row, regions labeled A, B, and C all have the same area. In the third row, the 4 regions have equal area. What fraction of the rectangle's area is in regions labeled B and C? So for this one, each row is going to be a third of the whole rectangle. They have equal area, that means they're split into 3 equal pieces, so each row is a third, for a total of 1. Now if we look at regions B and C, in the first row, that's going to be half of this region, because A and B are equal to the same, and there's 2 of them, so each are going to be half of that area for that row. So we multiply the 1/3 times 1/2, because it's equal to 1/2 of the 1/3. That's what this B is equal to. Look at the second row, B and C. These all have the same area, so each of these is a third. So B and C will represent 2/3. So it's going to be 2/3 of the third, because that row is a third. So it's going to be 1/3 times 2/3. And in the last row here, look at B and C. So each of these, there's 4 of them, so each is going to be a fourth of that row. So we're going to multiply 2/4, 2/4. Now we multiply fractions, we multiply the numerators together, and then multiply the denominators together. So that gives us 1/6. The second one gives us 2/9. And the third one gives us 2/12, which reduces to 1/6. Okay, so we need to add these 3 together. We have denominators of 6 and 9, so we have a common denominator of 36. Alright, so if we went from 6 to 36, we multiply the top by 6. The second one went from 9 to 36, that's times 4. So we multiply the 2 times 4 to give us 8. And down here, from 6 to 36 is times 6, so 1 times 6 is 6. Alright, so we got 6 plus 8 plus 6. So remember, once you have a common denominator, you just add the numerators together and keep the denominator the same. So then 6 plus 8 plus 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20, so that's going to be 20/36. And then you're going to put this in lowest terms, 20 and 36. We can have a 4 goes in each of these. So 20 divided by 4 is 5, and 36 divided by 4 is 9. So the total area that represents B and C is going to be 5/9 of the total area of the rectangle. So I hope you learned something during this video dealing with fractions. Remember to like this video and subscribe. Thanks.